Hi, well, welcome back. I don't know if you checked out any of the other stuff that I've been doing, but I've been trying to use my knowledge and help people out with certain aspects of DJing and producing in the harder scene, you know, like hardcore and freeform and all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to help people out and do like little expert guides to help them out. I talk about this is like number 3. 3 easy steps to get you started as a DJ. Number 1, this is the first one. Number one is you're going to need yourself a DJ logo. You could pay like someone lots of money to get you a logo, but it's basically just a normal font in Word or something like that. The easier way is, what we'll do is we'll just type one out. Yeah, it's as simple as that. I don't know if you can see this. So what you do is just select a nice large font. We'll go for like 36. Select a nice large font. Here we go. Comic Sans. You know, there's loads of different fonts that you can use. So we've got Irule, we've got Cambria. A personal favourite of mine is Toma. But today we're going to use Comic Sans because it's a classic. Just type out your name. Oops. Make it a bit bigger. If it's 72. There you have it. That's how you make a DJ logo. Now the important thing that you'll need to remember about a DJ logo is it doesn't really need to be readable. You just need a logo. We will revisit why you need a logo, obviously for flyers and things like that, and because everyone else has got one. We'll revisit a very important part of the logo later in the program. Step number 2, you are going to need to make an edit, okay? So if you're dead against making music properly, on the proper systems and everything like that, you can make an edit. It all depends on how much effort and time that you're willing to put in. Essentially, you can take credit for a really hard-working producer. Just pick a really big one, so pick like Darren Styles or something like that. Speed it up, slap your name on it, and this can be really easily done, okay? All you need to do, I was going to show you how to speed up. Basically, just take any old hardstyle track really, and just speed it up to 170, 175, re-record it, put a little mix out on the end, and Bob's your uncle. You're good to go with your edit. Yeah. That's about it. Or alternatively, what you can do is take a really popular tune and then just add a kick over it and keep it all in time. So I'm about to do that. I'll show you how to do that too. Here we go. So I chose One Night in Heaven by the M People. So I just sped it up to 170 and I'll whack a massive kick on it. Bang! Record that. There's your edit. Ready? You've got your logo is done. Now you've got your edit. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost started and ready for the big time. What you need now is I told you we'd think about this. You need to think about what kind of outfit you're gonna go for. Plenty of images have already been taken, but you can use these images for inspiration. The first image is so you can use these for inspiration as you wish, okay? Another idea that you could do. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, ladies. I've got a girlfriend now, so this is another look that you can go for. Why don't you keep these? Yeah, you know what I mean? So, some cool tats, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Another look that you can go for is this. Yeah. This might be if you want to play something a little bit harder, something a little bit more boom 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 with the bang bang bang. Okay. I'm absolutely roasting doing this. I don't know how those guys DJ on stage. Anyway, you probably don't want to go through all those random outfits. That's a lot of outfits to be going through. You might want to take some inspiration. The easiest way to do it is, remember I mentioned that logo thing earlier? Well, skip all that stuff that we were talking about before. You want to get yourself a nice t-shirt made up with that logo. Yeah, nice fluorescent colours as well. You can do it front and back. See? Print it multiple times, you know, you might as well. This will help people recognise you at raves. Another thing, like, you know, people might not recognise you if you're like a new DJ. Another way to do this is to wear some headphones. Ta-da! So, by wearing headphones, people will know that you're a DJ. You don't even have to be DJing when you're wearing them. These aren't even plugged in. T-shirt, everyone will recognise you. Headphones will really help. There we go. I did that all in one take. Those are the 3 essentials that you need to get starting DJing. Follow Energy Field. I'm posting this on Facebook for the first time because, like, no one goes on my YouTube channel.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Anyway, follow Energy Field.
Because a vision softly creeping